No.
And these other remedies also work wonders for your face. Blackheads. Almost all of us have had them. Are you frantically trying to pop them out? Then you'd better stop that. The bacteria on your hands will do little good for the stubborn blackheads on your nose. With a few handy remedies, you can give your skin a greater pleasure. And did you know that you already have these remedies in your kitchen cupboard? 1. Baking soda and water. You wouldn't expect it, but baking soda is a remedy that neutralizes the skin. It works as an exfoliant, a remedy that removes dirt, oil and dead cells from the skin. Mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda with 2 tablespoons of water and spread it on skin that has blackheads. Then rinse with warm water and lubricate your face with a moisturizing cream. Repeat these 2 or 3 times a week. 2. Brown sugar, honey, and lemon juice. The above ingredients combined form an effective face peel. You simply mix together a tablespoon of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and a tablespoon of honey. Then spread this on your face in a circular motion. Note: do this carefully, as the sugar can damage your skin. Then rinse and lubricate your face with a nourishing mask. Bet your face feels silky smooth. 3. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is a true miracle cure. Many are now convinced of its effect, and you can find the oil in almost any pharmacy. This natural remedy effectively kills bacteria. And guess what? Blackheads also disappears in no time. Put some tea tree oil on a cotton pad and dab it on the problem area. Repeat several times a week. 4. Green tea. We all know that drinking green tea is very good for our skin. However, if you want to prevent those annoying blackheads from appearing on your face, you might want to walk the extra mile. Cut open the bag of your green tea and mix it with a teaspoon of water. Massage the mixture into your face for about 3 minutes, then rinse it off with lukewarm water. The green tea helps to reduce the oil production of your skin, which makes blackheads disappear quickly.